Hey, it's Tony from Elite Fleet doing a demo video today in this StarLine M66 tracker-immobiliser-pager. It's got loads of features, inputs and outputs, totally customisable, however you want to set it up. So I've installed it today in this MK8 Fiesta. You get a mobile phone app, tells you there to unlock, so it's in the on arm state. Doubles up as a tracker to get live tracking. You get event histories and go back to the arm. So basically it's looking for that tag. The car will not start if that tag's not present. So I'm just going to hide that away in a Faraday bag. I'm just going to lock the car. And then you're going to see very quickly it's going to arm itself. So if you walked away from the car, there you go. It's now locked. It's got the protective shield over the car. And basically that will call your phone on any tilt, motion, shock sensor. Anyone tries to start the car, and also the car will not start. And it will call your phone. So I'm just going to attempt to start it. Nothing. Cannot start the car. The app's gone off. It's sending notifications. And it's now ringing the phone. So I'm just going to answer. And it will tell you what the violation was.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So basically it's told you the ignition's on, and that's why it's calling you. Someone's trying to start your car. You've got a notification come through on the phone, and also the app's flashing red there. It's got the red key to tell you that someone's attempting to put the ignition on. So I'm just going to switch ignition off. It's gone back to arming itself. It's now looking for any other violations, so it'll just keep looking. So let's do another one. So let's just give it a shock sensor. Let's smack the dash. Give that a good thump. Someone's attacked the car. There you go. Hammer picture. It's flashing red. It will now call your phone again.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Shock sensor activated.
Basically telling you that the shock sensor's gone off, and that's why it's calling you. It'll go back to normal in a few seconds, and it'll alarm itself. That's it, it's gone back to normal. Looking for any more shock tilt, so I'm just going to show it the tag now. Within a couple of seconds you'll see it will disarm. That's it. So it's now disarmed. It's got the unlock symbol on there, and now you can start the vehicle. Vehicle starts as normal. If the tag let you down, you can put it in valet mode from the app, so you just hold the button. That's gone in service mode, so now it won't arm. It's in valet mode. You can give it to a garage, and if you go for the gun, it's anti-hijack. It will cut the engine off. So you just hold the gun down and you press OK, and that would cut that engine off, and you have to reset it online, and that's it. This car is now protected. That is the new M66 Eagle tracker pager immobiliser. Very customisable. Loads of different options you can put. Give us a call. We'll sort you out. Thank you very much.